Hey everyone, today in this video we'll be talking about how to convert the number format into a textual format. For example, when you look at here we'll be having our data into a number format. So how can we identify that? For example, see, whenever the data is aligned towards the right, then it is a number format. So I want to convert it into a textual format. Just select the data, go here, and here scroll down. Here you have text option. You just select it and you can easily convert it. Earlier, I have already talked about this thing in my previous video, and I'll give you another scenario where it will be very handy to convert any of the number format into a textual format. For example, we have maybe $90. So I want to use this $90 along with any text. So how to do that? For example, if I uh, add something like that, I have, and if I press ampersand symbol and just click this, if I just click enter, then automatically it will be added as like this. See, so here we already have entered some value that is $90, and we want to add this to our text along with the sentence. For example, I have $90, so I want to add this. So in this way, you can easily add that. But for example, what if you have some $90.26 and you also want to add this in the similar way? So you can just press equal to, and after that, you can just type your string here. For example, my expenses. My expenses are, and just put comma, use ampersand symbol. After that, select C1, comma. Before selecting the cell, you just need to use text function. After using the text function, it will be asked to choose the value in this is the cell that you want to format, and after that, format text sense. Now I'm actually providing the dollar. After that, hash, and then 0 point. No, just 0. After that, I'm closing it. Let's see what happens. See here what happens. My expenses are $90.26. Okay, so this is the string that I'm actually getting. Okay, and imagine, for example, I have this thing, maybe dollar 98.7698. So these are the things here, and I want to add total bill. total bill is, I want to add this thing. Just use ampersand symbol here again, and then text function. After choosing the text function, you just need to select the value. After that, what you can do is just press quotes. Under the quotes, for dollar symbol, you need to pass the dollar symbol. After passing it, for the numbers, you need to pass hash. That is a pound symbol. So how many hash do you need to pass? Actually, you can pass two hashes, or you can also pass hash plus hash and zero. Why zero is in the sense, zero will usually, if you use zero in the text function, it will automatically rounds to the closest value. See the change now. So if I'm actually using zero and then closing the bracket, pressing enter. So now I'll show you. mm, Point 0 0. I'm pressing enter. Okay. So the thing here is, you don't need to add zero here. Instead, you can add hash. Okay. See here how many digits are there? Two digits before the decimal, right? Along with the dollar, these are three. So we have placed dollar, and for these two digits, that is 9 and 8, we are adding two hashes. Okay. After that, press comma, and then what we can do is, after we have 7698. Okay. So for that also you can add comma. Okay. And if you press enter, see, you get the same result. Just imagine here you have a percentage of maybe 89%. Okay. And you want to add this to your uh, string. So how to do that? Just press equal to, and percent is, put an ampersand, and then use the text function. In the text function, in the quotes, just use zero. Select the cell, and then comma, and then in the quotes, you can sell 0%. If you press enter, see the change that happens. Okay, so here you have got 89%. Okay, what if I modify this thing? For example, 85.89. I'm modifying it. If I press enter, see what it has happened. If I press enter, it has been modified as 90%. Did you see the change? But when you observe the cell here, it is still showing 89.89% only. Okay. But see here, but see in this thing, whenever we enter 0%, in the sense we are actually saying our Excel to round it to the closest number. What is the closest number for 89.89? Obviously, it is 90%, right? So it has been closed to 90%. Okay. Likewise, you can always use this text function along with your text. And for example, See, I'll show you another example. 26.68. So this is the percent. 686. This is the percentage I have. And if I want to modify it, for example, I want to use text function. After that, I need to select the cell and I want to enter what exactly do I want. For example, I want 0.00%. I only need two decimals after the decimal point. Okay. And then I'm pressing braces here after comma, and here I'm adding ampersand symbol. Here I'm passing my text. 26 point is the percent is my PG percent. Okay, instead of PG, I'm pressing here masters percent. Okay, and if I press enter, see the change. What is it showing? Text of C15 comma 0.00%. Oh, okay. Here we should not place comma here. If I press enter, see the change here. So earlier what I have entered 2.686%, but here when I use this text function, here I have passed 0.00. In the sense I exactly need only two numbers after the decimal point. So I don't want the other six to be considered here. For example, 26.686. In this total overall number, I only need 26.68. So for that reason, I have passed 0.00%. So the result, this is the result that we have got. Yeah. And we can also pass the date. For example, what is today's date? Maybe 04/09/2023. If I press enter, so this will be my date. And if I just want to use it along with my string, just press equal to and press text. After that, select the value and then press quotes. Here you can use month, day, and year format. For example, what is the month here? So month is September. So what you can do is you can pass MMM, in the sense SEP, September, and then you can pass DD, that is 04, and you can always pass Y. Okay, after entering the date is my birthday. I want to enter this string. Ampersand, and then for the string I'm using the quotes here. Okay, if I press enter, see the change that usually happens. September 4, 2023. I think I have missed something. Maybe I need to use comma. Maybe I think. Let's see. If I press enter, no, it's not at all working. Oh, I think I just want this date to be printed as maybe September 4th. So for that case, I need to remove the comma. And if I press space here, so MMM would be my SCP in the sense SEP, and DD would be my date SEP 04, and after that comma, and this would be my year 2023. Okay, see here. If I press enter, see SEP 4 2023 is my birthday. So this is the output. This is the output that we actually required. So in this way, you can always play with this option of converting a number format into a textual format.